Today we will discuss about some basic formulae of trigonometric functions. So first of all, we all know that cos square x plus sin square x is equals to 1, and then we can make it in tan secant form, and also we can make it in cot and cosecant form. So if firstly we divide both sides by cos square x. So when we divide both sides by cos square x, cos square divides cos square x, it is 1, and plus sine over cos, it becomes tan x, and 1 over cos square is always equals to secant x. So this equation becomes, it is the second formula of trigonometric function. After that we will divide denominator by sine square x of formula first. So when we operate formula first by dividing denominator by sine square, it becomes cos x over sine x, it's always cot x, and 1 over sine x is equals to cosecant x. So the formula becomes, it becomes cot x plus 1 is equals to cosecant square x. So these are three basic formulae. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square x is equals to secant square x, and cot x plus cot square x plus 1 is equals to cosecant square x. These are three more basic formulae of trigonometric functions. Sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and third one is tan x plus y is equals to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. From the first formula we ever have seen that sometime we have asked sin 2x. So the sin 2x becomes sin x plus x. So here we can operate formula sin x plus y too. Here when we operate sin 2x, it becomes sin x plus x. So from our formula in the form of sin x plus y equals sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, we can operate this formula in sin x plus x. Here coefficient of y is also x, so it becomes sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. These both are same, so it becomes 2 sin x cos x. We can also make it in the form of tan x. So firstly we have to operate this formula. As we all know, sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So we can divide it by sin square x plus cos square x, and then we divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. As we know that it becomes 2 sin x divided by cos x and divided by sin square x over cos square x plus 1, and sin x over cos x is equals to tan x, so it becomes 2 tan x divided by tan square x. So these are two formulae of sin 2x. One is 2 sin x cos x, and other one is 2 tan x divided by tan square x plus 1. Now here second one is cos x plus y, which is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So sometimes we have asked question cos 2x, which we can write it as cos x plus x. So we can apply it formula we have given. So it becomes cos x minus sin x, and it becomes cos square x minus sin square x, and we can make it in the form of cos, sine, and tan. So first we make it in the form of cos. So first of all we make cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. So first we know that cos square x plus sin square x is equals to 1. So from here sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x, and these one we put this one in here. So here sin square x is 1 minus cos square x, so it becomes 2 cos square x minus 1. And then from here we put cos square x from here, this one from here. So from equation 1 it becomes 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x, and it becomes 1 minus 2 sin square x, and it is the formula in the form of sine. And then we operate equation 1 again, we can make it in the form of tan. So firstly here we can divide it by 1, and 1 is equals to cos square x plus sin square x. So equation 1 becomes cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x plus cos square x. We will divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, and it becomes 1 minus sin square x divided by cos square x, and 1 plus sin square x, sorry it is square, divided by cos square x, and it becomes 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, and it is the third formula which is in the form of tan. So here cos 2x generate these four formulae. First one is cos square x minus sin square x, second 2 cos square x minus 1, and third 1 minus 2 sin square x, and fourth is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. After that we have third one, tan x plus y is equals to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. So sometimes we have asked tan 2x, we can write it as tan x plus x. So from our formula it becomes tan x plus tan x and 1 minus tan x tan x, and tan x becomes tan square x, and tan x plus tan x it becomes 2 tan x. So this is first one and only formula by it. So here today we discuss about some formulae. Sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1, 1 minus tan square x is equals to secant square x cot x plus 1. Sorry, here is cot square x plus 1 is equals to cos square x, and sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and tan x plus y is equals to tan x plus tan y over 1 minus tan x tan y, and sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x equal to 2 tan x divided by tan square x plus 1, and then cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x is equals to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, and last is tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x. We have last thing, sometimes we have here we know that cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1, and also equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Sometimes we have asked cos square x or sin square x, so we can find here cos square x and sin square also. So from first one we will find cos square x. So here cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. Here we will solve it. So from here cos square x is equals to cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2, and similarly cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x, and here 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x, and also we can find here sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So these are two more formulae by cos 2x. And after all, thanks for all of you watching my video.